In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcode button in WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just diving into the vast world of website building, adding a shortcode button is a nifty little trick that can make your site more interactive and user-friendly. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll need to access the WordPress dashboard, which is the control hub for your entire site. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Appearance, followed by Editor. This will take you to a file editor where you can tweak your WordPress theme files. Now, a crucial tip here, always back up your current theme files before you make any changes. That way, if anything goes awry, you can effortlessly revert back to the original state. Next, look for functions.php in your theme files. This is where we'll be adding our custom function that will create the shortcode. In the functions.php file, scroll to the bottom and prepare to insert a new line of code. It's a good practice to add a comment here so you and others know exactly what this new code is doing in the future. Type something like adding shortcode for button, just above your new code for clarity. Now, it's time to add the code that will create the shortcode button. This code snippet defines what happens when your shortcode is called, including how the button will appear. After pasting in the code, which equals a function that outputs the HTML structure of a button with some styling, we need to save our changes. Double-check your syntax to avoid any errors, then click Update File to save. With the code in place, let's test it out to ensure everything is working smoothly. Open a post or page editor where you would like the button to appear. In the content area, type in the newly created shortcode. Typically, it will look something like this: My Custom Button. You can customize the name if you prefer, just ensure it matches the code you inserted earlier. Once you've added the shortcode into your content, save your changes by clicking Update or Publish. To see your button in action, visit the front end of your website and locate the page or post where you added the shortcode. The button should be there, styled and ready for interaction. If, for any reason, things don't look right, return to your functions.php file to double-check the code syntax and ensure there are no errors. Also, ensure your CSS styles are correctly loading and applied. And there you have it, a quick and seamless way to create a shortcode button in WordPress. From enhancing your site's usability to making it visually appealing, shortcode buttons can make a significant impact with minimal effort. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blogging!